Hello, hi everyone. In the last video, we show what Paperclip is and how it can organize a company of AI agents. In this video, we will focus on one practical step: how to add and configure an agent properly. So, in Paperclip, agents don't usually run forever in one endless session. They work in short runs called heartbeats. A heartbeat starts the adapter and gives it context, let it works, and then store status, logs, error, and uses details. Today we are going to create a new agent called Frontend Game Agent. So how we can create basically an agent? So here you can see in the left hand we have agents section. Currently we have two agents, CEO and founding engineer. We need to add one more front-end game engineer. So let's click on this plus icon. So here we have two options. First one is to assign a issue to a CEO, and another option is via manual. If we click on this advanced configuration, so it will pop up to select the adapter like Claude or codex, whatever. So let's suppose we go via manual, then we can select the adapter. Then it will ask the agent name, like same the working directory, and if you have any prompt, okay, like name, role, purpose, skills, rules, everything you have to define here, and some instruction file you can create in the project with agents.md file, and you can configure other thing also. But instead of manual, let's do via issue, right? So we can use the purpose of using agents. Okay, so let's go. So here I will paste a title like create a new front-end game engineer, and then let's add a description. So make sure a description would be a proper, right? Like agent detail, role, purpose, skill, rules, right? And then this is just a confirmation if the task once completed. Okay, so let's give it a high priority and then create an issue. So it will set up a new agent basically. So instead of manual, we should use the AI. Here we can see our issue. If we go in the CEO agent also, we can see the live running task. If we click on this, then we can monitor what it's doing basically. Okay, so CEO basically reading its own doc like heartbeats, all tools, and then it's found the agent home and the repo, the current directory or the default one it will use. So it's using paperclip create agent command to create a front-end game engineer. So let's see how much time it takes to create a agent. So now it's reading codex config details. We have our new agent. If we go in the org chart, we can visualize the chart. Like we have a CEO, founding engineer, and front end engineer. Usually in companies, we can have like CEO, CTO, CEO under CTO, CEO then CTO, and then under CTO we can have these engineers. So in the later video, we will add a new agent called CTO here. Might be later, but not in this video. So if we go in this agent, this agent is in pending because we have to manually approve. So if we go in this dashboard, we can see this pending approval, so we can accept, right? And then if we go here, so it's still running, so it will automatically wipe out. So here we can configure this agent. If we go in the configuration, so you can see the same form that was in the manual section, right? So we can configure whatever you want, like adapter, we can change adapter here, working directory, we can change model, etc. Currently, the heartbeat interval is disabled, so it run basically on demand. Whenever the issue assigned to this engineer or agent it triggered, it will not basically a poll issues in the regular interval. So this is the default configuration. So this is how so it's like you can create a new agent